the best vegetarian loaded black bean nachos recipe. Let's kick things off with our black beans. If you're using an instant pot, they'll be ready in about 30 minutes. But honestly, I often grab canned beans when I'm in a hurry. Either way, we want them warm and ready to go for our loaded nachos. Time to get that amazing garlic flavor going. Drop a tablespoon of olive oil in your pan, and once it's warm, toss in those minced garlic cloves. You'll know it's perfect when your kitchen starts smelling absolutely incredible. Usually takes about 30 seconds until they're golden and fragrant. Now comes the fun part. We're going to transform those plain black beans into something magical. Mix them up with that taco seasoning, paprika, and salt. I love watching how the beans take on this beautiful color as everything comes together. Give it a good stir until all the beans are evenly coated. Alright, let's build our nacho foundation. Grab your baking tray. I like to give it a quick spray of oil to prevent sticking, and spread out half of those tortilla chips. Make sure they're in a nice even layer, so every chip gets its fair share of toppings. Here's where it starts getting really good. Spread that seasoned black bean mixture over your chips, then sprinkle on half of your cheese. The beans should be warm enough to start melting that cheese just a bit, which is exactly what we want. Layer on those beautiful red onions and tomatoes. They add such amazing fresh flavor and crunch. Then comes my favorite part, covering everything with the remaining cheese. Trust me, you want that cheese in every single bite. Into the oven we go. 350 to 4F for about 15,020 minutes is perfect. You're looking for that cheese to get all melty and gooey. When you see those little bubbles forming in the cheese, you'll know it's ready. By the way, since many of you ask about this toaster oven that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Time to make these nachos Instagram-worthy. Sprinkle on those fresh scallions, add dollops of Pico de Gallo and Guacamole, and arrange those perfect avocado cubes. The colors are just gorgeous together. Last but definitely not least, serve these beauties while they're still hot. I love squeezing fresh lime over the top. It adds this bright, zesty kick that really makes all the flavors pop. Your friends are going to go crazy for these. Time to enjoy. Subscribe to catch more delicious recipes.